In an amazing twist of fate, General Motors' gas-guzzling Hummer brand, discontinued in 2010, is poised to make a comeback for 2022 as an all-electric sub-brand of GMC. The resurrected Hummer will appear first as a pickup truck and later as an SUV. The new pickup is quite the beast, with up to 1,000 horsepower from its top powertrain option, which uses 3 electric motors, offers an estimated range of 329 miles per charge, and it leaps to 60 miles per hour in a claimed 3.0 seconds. The Hummer EV also features removable roof panels, an optional adjustable air suspension, and a cool 4-wheel steering feature that allows it to crab sideways, drive diagonally, all of which should make it fun to take off-road. Pickup trucks are the next frontier for electric vehicles, as potential rivals from upstarts Rivian and Tesla, as well as established automakers such as Ford, are preparing their own entries in this emerging segment. For now, the only powertrain available in the Hummer EV is a setup with 3 electric motors that makes 1,000 horsepower. All-wheel drive is standard and GMC estimates a 0 to 60 mph time of 3.0 seconds, which the company says is achievable thanks to the truck swaps to Freedom Launch Control driving mode. GMC is also quoting a dubious 11,500 pounds-to-foot torque figure from this powertrain, but that estimated number is almost certainly calculated through the torque multiplying effect of the truck's gear ratios. While we take issue with how that misleading torque number is calculated, it should have massive pulling power regardless. The real torque number will be between 1,000 and 1,100 pound-to-foot, GMC insiders say. We were able to test drive a prototype model and were wowed by its performance. The Hummer EV uses GM's new Ultium battery pack technology and boasts an estimated 329 miles of driving range per charge. The Hummer uses an 800-volt electrical architecture with 350 kilowatt fast charging capability, which GMC claims will add 100 miles of range in just 10 minutes. For buyers who don't have any DC fast charging stations nearby, the Hummer EV can also charge on regular public charging terminals or at home via a provided adapter, but charging times are significantly slower. The Hummer EV takes the form of a crew cab pickup truck with a 5-foot-long bed. Interior materials could be of higher quality considering the Hummer's price tag, and its cabin isn't as spacious as GMC's Sierra crew cab pickup truck. But the interior can be opened to the elements via a novel removable roof that reintroduces a T-top-esque design popular in GM sports and muscle cars in the 1970s and 1980s. When in place, the transparent panels are akin to a normal panoramic glass sunroof, but lifting them off and stowing them in the Hummer EV's front trunk gives the truck a convertible vibe similar to that of the Jeep Gladiator. Inside, several Moon-inspired touches, such as a moon boot footprint on the dead pedal and speaker grills that show the Sea of Tranquility, serve as not-so-subtle reminders of GM's connection to NASA astronauts and the electrically powered Apollo 15 lunar rover that the company helped engineer. A large 13.4-inch display serves as the infotainment screen, and there's a 12.3-inch digital instrument panel as well. GMC has contracted Epic Games, maker of the wildly popular Fortnite video game, to create the graphics for the Hummer EV's infotainment interface. The high-resolution screen and advanced graphics look great, but we noticed some pronounced lag that suggests the system doesn't have quite the processing power it needs to keep up with the software's capabilities. A host of connectivity features are standard, including Apple CarPlay/Android Auto capability, a Wi-Fi hotspot, and GM's OnStar telematics system. Tesla's semi-autonomous autopilot feature is the one to beat in the EV marketplace, but lucky for the Hummer EV, GM's Super Cruise system is just as capable and is a standard feature. Less advanced features such as lane keeping assist and blind spot monitoring are also included. Key safety features include standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, standard lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, standard adaptive cruise control with semi-autonomous driving mode,